These are not concepts anymore. These are real AI devices you can actually buy or test right now. From home robots to smart lenses, flying drones and life-logging wearable, this is the new wave of personal technology changing how we live, work and move. Number 15. DYSON SPOT+SCRUB AI. DYSON SPOT+SCRUB AI is a robot vacuum and mop system built for precision home cleaning. It connects to the My Dyson app for full remote control. You can set cleaning zones, schedule runs, and customize routines for each room. It targets high traffic and spill areas automatically. Water flow control adjusts scrubbing intensity based on surface type. It navigates your home using smart mapping. Number 14. DIPAL D1. DIPAL D1 is a desktop AI companion with a 2.5K flexible display. It runs fully animated 3D characters in real time. It supports VRM, FBX, MMD, and Viroid models with instant import. It connects with smart home systems. It can control lights, reminders, and schedules. The AI learns user habits over time. It adapts personality and responses. It sits on your desk as a visual assistant and companion. Number 13. VITURE HELIX. VITURE HELIX is industrial AI smart eyewear built with NVIDIA XR tech. It streams first-person video to AI in real time. It uses a 12MP camera, microphones, and voice control. No screen is needed. It supports hands-free operation in work environments. It helps with safety, training, and documentation. It records full shift activity for review. It works in labs, factories, and healthcare settings. Number 12. Honor Robot Phone. Honor Robot Phone is a smartphone with a robotic camera arm. The camera can rotate and track subjects automatically. It uses AI to frame shots without user control. It behaves like a self-shooting camera assistant. It stabilizes motion and follows faces in real time. It improves photography and video recording. It can adjust angles dynamically. It is still a concept device, not mass-released. Number 11. RUNSAFEPRO. RUNSAFEPRO is a wearable safety vest for runners and cyclists. It uses rear radar detection to track vehicles behind you. It provides GPS emergency alerts in danger situations. It includes hit-and-run detection. It has 360-degree adaptive lighting for visibility. It connects with Garmin, Apple Watch, Android, and iPhone. It works in low light and traffic-heavy zones. It helps improve awareness while moving outdoors. It is designed for solo runners and night training. Number 10. Amazon ASTRO. Amazon ASTRO is a mobile home robot powered by Alexa. It moves through your house and monitors rooms. It checks for unusual sounds and unfamiliar people. It can patrol when you are away. It streams video and follows users. It supports smart home control and reminders. It integrates with Ring Cloud security. It can carry accessories like medical or pet tools. It has privacy controls with camera and mic shutdown. It is designed for home monitoring and assistance. Number 9. XPANCEO Smart Lenses. XPANCEO smart lenses are next-generation AR contact lenses. They replace screens with direct vision overlays. They provide real-time information inside your eyes. They support health tracking and visual enhancements. Features include zoom and night vision concepts. They aim to merge digital and physical reality. No phone or headset is needed. Everything appears in natural sight. It is designed for future XR computing. It focuses on privacy and seamless interaction. It turns vision itself into a smart interface. Number 8. RAZER AVA Mini. RAZER AVA Mini is a virtual AI companion that interacts with another AI companion. It runs inside Razer's AI ecosystem. It supports evolving personality systems. It learns and adapts over time. It is designed for entertainment and engagement. It keeps AI characters active even when users are away. It builds multi-layer AI interaction loops. It focuses on personality-driven digital companionship. It is not a productivity tool. It is designed for emotional and interactive AI experiences. Number 7. LOOKI L1. LOOKI L1 is an AI wearable camera that records your daily life automatically. It captures moments hands-free. It organizes them into structured memory timelines. It uses scene detection and context awareness. It can answer questions about your day. It tracks behavior patterns and routines. It suggests breaks and hydration. It helps analyze productivity and habits. It stores data locally with privacy controls. It is designed as a personal memory assistant. It turns life into searchable data. Number 6. Microsoft SOLARA Badge. Microsoft SOLARA Badge is a wearable AI access device for enterprise agents. It uses biometric login like fingerprint access. It connects users to AI systems instantly. It supports voice, camera, and task execution. It replaces traditional app-based workflows. It works with Microsoft Copilot and Azure. It is designed for industries like healthcare and finance. It enables hands-free task management. It acts as a digital identity and AI interface. It is built for agent-driven computing. Number 5. AIPAL Dock. AIPAL Dock is an always-on AI desktop assistant with radar sensing. It detects presence and activity. It provides reminders, summaries, and scheduling help. It manages tasks and notifications. It can understand what is on your screen. It supports gaming and productivity modes. It works as a conversation companion. It integrates into daily workflow environments. It reduces manual digital management. It acts like a living assistant on your desk. It is designed for continuous awareness and interaction. Number 4. ORTOMI Adorable Robot Companion. ORTOMI is a small emotional robot pet designed for companionship. It reacts to touch and motion. It has mood-based behavior changes. It responds differently each day. It loves interaction like petting or holding. It includes silent mode for quiet use. It is lightweight and portable. It runs on battery for long hours. It focuses on emotional connection, not productivity. It is designed as a digital pet experience. It brings personality into simple robotics. Number 3. Remarkable 2. Remarkable 2 is a paper-like digital writing tablet with e-ink display. It feels like real paper. It removes notifications and distractions. It is built for focused thinking. It supports handwriting, sketching, and PDF annotation. It converts notes into text. It syncs to cloud devices. It has up to 2 weeks battery life. It is ultra-thin and lightweight. It is designed for writers and professionals. It prioritizes focus over apps. Number 2. SKYDIO 2 Plus. SKYDIO 2 Plus is an AI self-flying drone with obstacle avoidance. It tracks subjects automatically. It flies through complex environments. It records cinematic aerial footage. It increases flight time by about 20%. It supports up to 6 kilometers range. It uses keyframe software for auto cinematography. Users set points and AI builds flight paths. It creates smooth, repeatable video shots. It is designed for creators and action sports. It removes manual piloting complexity. Number 1. Eno. Eno is a full-scale AI robot built to reason, plan, and act in the real world. It combines AI agents with physical robotics. It is built end-to-end with simulation, hardware, and models. It uses a foundation model called Gene. It is designed for general-purpose tasks. It supports real-world manipulation and assistance. It is not humanoid by design. It focuses on extending human capability. It can anticipate needs and execute actions. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insane tech videos. See you in next one.